Empowerment Technology, a senior high school subject that teaches students on how to use ICT or information and communication technologies responsibly. Online platforms, the first lesson that I've learned from this subject. It is a structure that uses internet that can be used by people for different purposes. But we are unsure if we're safe online because of online threats that are performed by knowledgeable computer user. I've also learned about basic principles of graphic and layout that helped me in making my own infographic and, of course, website. I also learned that ICT is the use of technology for storing, sharing, and managing information. This drives social change by reshaping communication, behavior, organizations, and values through global connectivity and innovation. Finally, I've learned about concept paper. It is summaries of projects or issues that contemplate interests, experience, and expertise that commonly serves as purpose of delivering an in-depth discussion of certain topic that a person has a strong position on. That's all for now and see you at the next vlog.